How to enable auto rotate on Android. Hey everybody and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll be providing you with a very easy guide in order to enable that feature on your device. So let's get started. One of the things we can do is we can access a quick settings panel directly. And once we access it up, we can look out for this option called auto rotate, or depending on the mobile device, we'll be finding different options, such as on mine, it's portrait. So you can tap on this option, and when you basically slide your phone or move your phone to the direction, it will auto rotate depending upon what direction you're on, or either on landscape or the vertical one. So you can just go and follow up this method, or if not this, we have another method available, which is through our settings. So go to our settings app, and within settings we can look out for our home screen settings or the display settings depending upon your device. Once again, head over and find it up on my it's on mine, it's on home screen. So tap on home screen for that, and once we are headed over there, when we scroll down, we'll be finding option called rotate to landscape mode. So find this option right here, and we can just go and tap on it in order to turn it on, and it will turn on the landscape mode, and we should be able to move our device and it will auto rotate according to our device. You can just go and follow up this method and turn on this option. If you want to turn it off, you can follow the same process and tap on it in order to turn it off, and when we hit back, it will be locked. Our screen will be locked. But usually these are the two methods available if you want to enable the auto rotate on our device. So you may follow this method for that. We hope this video was helpful. Give this video a like and subscribe for more tips and